So good morning children. Today we are going to start the new lesson, periodic classification of elements. Periodic classification of elements. So what is mean by elements? So already we have learned in the previous class. So element is made up of same kind of atoms. Element is made up of what ma? Same kind of atoms. We cannot further divide it into even small pieces also with the help of either physical method or chemical methods. Okay, that is the definition for elements. For example, sodium, hydrogen, and potassium. So next one, what is mean by period? Why we want to do the classifications? Okay, so many elements are there. So why we want to do the classification? So everything we will see in this lessons. Okay, so first we will see the introductions. Okay, so before entering into these lessons, okay, so why we want to do the classification or arrangement of elements in a particular order. For example, okay, so we may enter into the library. So many books are there. Okay, so many books are there. Okay, suppose we may ask any one of the book from the librarian. So immediately they found the book, they are giving to us. Okay, so what way they are finding. Okay, so they have arranged in the particular order. Okay, for example, Tamil book, okay, they have arranged in one rank. Okay, English, maths, science, social. So in this way, so we have to arrange the elements. Okay, so then only we can find out the physical properties, chemical properties, size, atomic number and mass number, everything. Okay, so basis on this concept, okay, so different scientists from olden days to still now, they are finding what ma? Do the arrangement of the elements. Okay, in 18th century, okay, 18th century, okay, at that time they found only how many elements? 31 elements. Okay, 31 elements. Okay, so the middle of the 18th century, so okay, 1865, they found how many elements ma? 63 elements. Okay, so the beginning of the 18th century, they found only 31 elements. They have arranged in different angle. Okay, so middle of the 18th century, they found 63 elements. They have arranged in different angle. Okay, so at present total how many elements are present in the periodic table? 118 elements already we know. Okay, so if you are looking the periodic table, okay, some lines are they have drawn what line ma? Vertical. Some lines are drawn in the horizontal. Okay, so the vertical lines are called, okay, vertical lines means this line, horizontal lines means this line. So vertical lines are called what ma? Column. Okay, or group. Okay, so horizontal lines are called row. Okay, horizontal lines are called what ma? Row. Okay, so first one we will see the concept. So different scientists, they have explained about their classification of elements. Okay, so first one, Daubernier, Ereiniers, Daubernier triads. Okay, what is the spelling for Daubernier ma? Daubernie apostrophe s, triads. So what is mean by tri? Tri means what ma? Three. Tri means three. So he has arranged the elements in a group or column or row or whatever may be. Only how many elements are present? Only 3 elements are present. So what is this law? What is this law? Okay, so you see this example. For example, okay, okay, first one, lithium, sodium, potassium, 6.9, 23, 39.1. Okay, triads. Okay, he has arranged only 3 elements. So what is this law? Okay, when the 3 elements in a triad, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, when the three elements in the triad means what ma? Three. Okay, three elements in the triad are arranged in the ascending order of their atomic masses. Ascending order. Okay, ascending order of their atomic masses. Okay, ascending order means increasing order. Descending order means what ma? Decreasing order. Okay, ascending order of their atomic masses. Okay, so what is the meaning about atomic masses ma? Atomic masses. So mass number and atomic number we know. Okay, atomic number and mass number. Okay, the mass number is nothing but what ma? Atomic masses. Atomic masses. Okay, so if you are taking the one element sodium 1123. Okay, this one is called atomic number. This one is called mass number. Mass number is nothing but what ma? Atomic masses. Okay, atomic masses. Okay, when the three elements are arranged in a triad, okay, in what basis ma? Ascending order of their atomic masses. Ascending order means increasing order of their atomic masses. The atomic masses of the middle element. The atomic masses of the middle element. Okay, atomic masses of the middle element is nearly as the same. Okay, as the same average atomic masses of the other two elements. Average atomic masses of the other two elements. Okay, so in a triad, okay, the elements are arranged. Elements are arranged in what way? Increasing their atomic masses. Increasing their atomic masses. Okay, ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, the middle element atomic mass is equal to, okay, the average atomic masses of the other two elements. Other two elements. Okay, you see this calculation. Okay, the middle 23 is equal to, okay, the atomic masses of the middle element is nearly as the same average atomic masses of the other two elements. Okay, so this law is called what law? Brownian triads. Okay, so 6.9 plus 39.1 divided by 2. Okay, so 0.9 0 remaining 1 10 6 46, okay, divided by 2, so 23. Okay, so this law is called what law ma? Brownian triads. Brownian triads. Okay, the atomic masses of the middle element is nearly as the same average atomic masses of the other two elements. So this law is called what law ma? Brownian triads. Okay, so here two limitations are given in this law, Brownian triads. So what is the limitations? So limitations means what ma? Almost equal to the drawbacks. Limitations means what ma? Almost equal to, what is the meaning ma? Drawbacks. Limitations of what law ma? Triads. Okay, so first point, the elements could not be classified in the form of the triads. Okay, so at the time how many elements took for the classification in the triads format? Around 31 elements. Okay, so many elements later they found, okay, all the elements we cannot bring in that group. Okay, classification. Okay, classification of the element in the group is a very difficult. Okay, second one, okay, this law was not applicable. This law was not applicable to the elements containing low and high atomic masses. Okay, low and high atomic masses. High atomic masses. Okay, the low and high atomic masses. Okay, the law was not applicable to the elements having very low and very high atomic masses. Okay, so these are all the two limitations of what law? Brownian triads. Okay, so next one, Newland's law of Arcturus. Newland's law of Arcturus. Second one, new lands law of octavus. So what is mean by octav? Octav means what ma? 8. Okay. So new lands law of octavus. Okay. So he has arranged in the elements in the like what ma? Column and row. Okay. One element, second, third, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here 8th element. Okay. So what this law says that as okay the properties of the first element, almost equal to the properties of the 8th element. Okay, the properties of the first elements is almost equal to the properties of the 8th element. Okay, so if you are taking the music, okay, notes are there. Okay, sari gama padani sa. Okay, sa, ri, ga, ma, ba, the, ni, sa. Okay, the first and 8th notes are almost equal. Okay, he has arranged the elements in what way? Atomic masses, not in atomic number. The same way ascending order, increasing order of the atomic masses. So it's law just to see. Okay, what is this law ma? The first element in the properties in the octavus is equal to 8th element, Okay, so this law is called what ma? New lands law of octavus. Okay, so first who has introduced this law ma? In the 1866, John Newlands. Okay, John 1866. Okay, John Newland. Okay, he has introduced this law, Newlands law of octavus. The same way, first law, what law? Daubernier triads. Okay, in the year of 1817, I forgot to say one message. 1817. Okay, John Wolfgang Daubernier. Okay, he has introduced the Daubernier triads. Okay, so next one, the limitations of Newlands law of octavus. Okay, limitations. So limitations of Newlands law of octavus. Okay, there are the instances of some elements fit in the same group. Okay, fit in the same group. Okay, they have the different properties. Okay, but he put in what group ma? The same group. Okay, that is the one of the drawback. Okay, second one. Okay, some elements have totally different physical and chemical properties, but he made it in the same group. Okay, but actually it's not fit for in the group. Okay, that is the second point. Okay, third one. Okay, the law of octavus, okay, was not valid from the elements containing the atomic masses more than the calcium. That means 40. Okay, calcium 20, 40. Okay, atomic masses. Okay, those elements contains are having the atomic masses more than 40. Okay, that type of elements cannot bring into which category? The Newlands law of octavus category we cannot bring. Okay, so next one, Newlands tables was restricted to only 56 element. Okay, at that time, okay, he knows only 56 element. Okay, suppose later, okay, some scientists they found some of the elements. Okay, he had no idea where we have to include the elements. Okay, the last point, the discovery of inert gases. Where we have to keep. Okay, at last he kept in the last one. Okay, so these are all the limitations of what man Newland's law of Octavius. Okay, next third one, Mendeleev's periodic law. Third one, Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so Mendeleev's periodic table is the third scientist he has arranged the elements. Okay, in the 1869, in the year of 1869, okay, Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev, okay, observed, okay, the elements in based on what atomic masses. So what is this law? What is this law? Okay, the physical and chemical properties of the element. Okay, the physical and chemical properties, physical and chemical properties of the element are in the periodic function of their atomic masses. Okay, atomic masses. Okay, the physical and chemical properties of the element in the periodic functions are based on their what atomic masses. Okay, atomic masses. Okay, so this Mendeleev periodic table later, okay, we know this is a what the short form of the periodic table. Okay, this is the starting of the modern periodic table. So based on this, okay, later they modified what modern periodic table. Okay, so in this modern periodic table contains what limitations and drawbacks also will be there. Okay, drawbacks also will be there. Okay, so that we will see in the next class. Okay, just to how to go through the what are the limitations of Mendeleev periodic table, what are the drawbacks of Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so just to go through it. Okay, next class I will explain about what the limitations and advantages of what modern periodic table. Okay, so today homework. Okay, today homework. Homework. Define Daubernier Trier's law, full stop, explain it. Explain it. Okay, the same way, second one what define Newland's law of Octavius, full stop, explain it. Third one, define Mendeleev periodic law. Define Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, so these are all the homeworks today. Homework. Okay, so thank you children. We will see the remaining part in the next class. Okay, thank you.